According to Google, there was over 50 billion birds on Earth, and that's just mind-blowing. So I'm going to show you how to make an easy bird feeder out of one fence picket. Let's get started. I'm going to have to cut this thing in half because it's too big to even fit on my workbench. Alright, we cut the tip off, so now we're going to grab our square that's not a square, and we're going to mark center. Alright, these boards are obviously 5.5 inches long, so that is going to come out to 2 3/4. Alright, now we're going to adjust our miter to 45 degrees. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is cutting off the corner right here, and we'll do it on both sides, but you're going to make sure where your blade hits is the front of the mark. So pretty much you're just making a point. We'll flip it over and do the same thing. Alright, there you go. You just made a point. Adjust your miter back to 0, and then we're just going to cut down 8 inches from the point. Alright, now we got to make one more. If you're enjoying the content so far, go down below and smash that like button. And while you're down there, go and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss a future upload. Let's get back to the video. This knot was not meant to be there. Cut 2 more pieces at 8 inches. For your last piece, cut one at 7 inches. Alright, we're going to need to do some modifying to some of these pieces. So these 2 pointed pieces are good, so we're going to put those aside. And the 6-inch piece, and then these 2 8-inch pieces. But the 7-inch piece, we're going to have to rip it straight down the side. Now, you could use a table saw, but I don't really have one on hand, and I don't really like using them. So I'm going to run it on the bandsaw. And if you don't have a bandsaw, you can probably use a chisel and just like chisel it straight in half, and then use a belt sander to clean it up. Alright, instead of making a guide, I'm just going to draw a line straight down the middle, and then freehand it. Alright, sweet. Alright, that worked pretty well. Now it's time for assembly. Alright, to start, we're going to put on our bottom panel. So I'm going to use a hammer and nails. Alright, I actually just found a screwdriver, so we're going to use this. Alright, we got a 1/16 inch bit. This is so much easier. Now we'll turn her on our side and then get our 2 pieces we split in half and put them right there. And I actually cut them down one more time to make them a little bit smaller. And now we'll do the other side. Then we'll take our last 2 8-inch pieces and put them on the top. And there we go. And now we'll just give it a little bit of massage with some 120 grit. Well, there you go. You just made an easy bird feeder. So now I'm going to go set it out and see if any birds get to it. Alright, so we got some bird seed right here. So all you do is just set it right here in the middle. And so I'm going to go ahead and dump some in there. I forgot to make a way to hang it up. So I'm just going to get like a 5/8 inch drill bit and drill right on the top to make like a little loop. Now we'll get some rope and hang it up. If you like this video, I think you might like some of my others. So I have a whole woodworking playlist that I'll put right here. It has over 40 videos on. And if you want to subscribe, I will put that right here. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see y'all next time.